Riwruoge makedo ne ratiro mag oganda oramo ni ratiro mag jo-Kenya mokete katiba ma pacho ka norochi e kinde ng'anyo mag kwedo paro mar chik mar omenda ma higani. Ng'anyo manoneno ka oganda jo-Kenya maromo 41 owito ngimagi kendo ji 361 oyudo hinyruok kod thegruok mar mwandu. Bende ne giloso kod jofwamb weche kawuono ka gidwaro ni mondo sirkal otim nonro matut kendo kaw okang' madwarore ni obila manotiyo gi teko mathoth e ng'anyo.
The protesters and their supporters have not only been targeted on the streets, but also through clandestine abductions, enforced disappearances, incommunicado detention, and in most cases, subsequent release without being brought before the court of law.
This situation is compounded by an entrenched culture of impunity, where blatant constitutional and human rights violations are rarely met with accountability or meaningful remedies for affected victims.
We further call on the Independent Policing Oversight Authority and the Director of Public Prosecutions to take the following immediate action. First, to fast-track investigations and initiate prosecutions against individuals who are liable for the unlawful use of excessive force and lethal weapons that have led to deaths, injuries, abductions, and enforced disappearances, amongst other violations and crimes.
We call on the Minister for Interior, that is Professor Kindiki, Inspector General of Police, Japhet Koome, Director of Criminal Investigation, Ms. Bwana Igonga, Director of National Intelligence Service, Bwana Haji, to initiate the following immediate measures. Cease surveillance, threat and intimidation of human rights defenders and civil society actors. 3. Provide adequate security measures to counter the infiltration of criminal elements and facilitate the exercise of the right to peaceful protest by all citizens who may wish to participate in the commemoration of Sabasaba demonstrations on Sunday, 7th July 2024.